ComfyUI versus Leonardo AI. Which AI workflow is better? Choosing between ComfyUI and Leonardo AI is a comparison between two very different philosophies about how AI image generation workflows should be built and used. ComfyUI is a powerful node-based workflow interface for stable diffusion that gives technically advanced users granular control over every step of the image generation pipeline. While Leonardo AI is a polished, web-based platform that delivers powerful AI art generation through an accessible and feature-rich interface without requiring any technical setup, this comparison breaks down how each workflow performs so you can decide which one fits your creative process. ComfyUI is a free and open-source node-based interface for stable diffusion that allows users to construct highly customized image generation pipelines by connecting individual processing nodes in a visual graph. This approach gives users an extraordinary level of control over every aspect of the generation process, from model selection and sampling methods to conditioning, upscaling, and post-processing, all within a single connected workflow. ComfyUI has become the preferred tool for advanced stable diffusion users who want to build sophisticated and repeatable workflows that go far beyond what simpler interfaces allow. It runs locally on the user's own hardware, meaning no usage limits, no subscriptions, and complete privacy. ComfyUI is best suited for advanced users, developers, and AI art enthusiasts who want complete technical control over a highly customized and locally run image generation pipeline. Leonardo AI is a web-based AI art generation platform that makes powerful diffusion-based image creation accessible through a well-designed and feature-rich interface that requires no local installation or technical knowledge. It offers multiple AI models, fine-tuning tools, image-to-image generation, canvas editing, and custom model training within a single accessible platform that non-technical users can navigate from the first session. Its generous free tier and consistent output quality make it a practical choice for creators, designers, and professionals who need reliable AI art generation without managing local infrastructure. Leonardo AI is best suited for designers, content creators, and professionals who want capable and customizable AI art generation through an accessible web workflow without any technical overhead. Feature comparison. ComfyUI and Leonardo AI represent opposite ends of the AI art workflow spectrum. ComfyUI offers maximum technical depth and customization for users who want to build and control every aspect of their generation pipeline locally. Leonardo AI offers maximum accessibility and feature richness for users who want powerful AI art generation through a polished web interface without any setup. The better workflow depends entirely on your technical comfort level and how deeply you want to engage with the generation process. Final thoughts. If you want to build highly sophisticated and fully customized AI image generation pipelines with complete control over every parameter and no usage limits, ComfyUI is one of the most powerful tools available for technically advanced users willing to invest in the learning curve. If you want a powerful and feature-rich AI art workflow through a polished web platform that delivers professional quality outputs without any local setup or technical knowledge, Leonardo AI is an excellent and accessible choice. The better workflow is whichever one matches how deeply you want to engage with the technical side of AI image generation.